G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome to howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun and playing saxophone and being awesome and repeating. Now, in today's lesson, we're not going to actually play our sax as such, but I thought what I would do is just have a quick chat about wrong notes. Wrong notes. Wrong notes. I'm going to be controversial. There is no such thing as a wrong note. There, I've said it. I'm going to say it again. There is no such thing as a wrong note. Okay, let's talk about that. Let's break that down a bit. There are perhaps dubious choices. There is a time when you are learning which notes to play and in which order. Yes, that's fine. It's playing the saxophone is choreography of the fingers, choreography of the mouth, combining that with your ears, combining that with your brain, combining that with what's happening around you. The opportunity to play a note, any note, is vast. You can play whatever you like, whenever you want. Now, in any particular song, there are perhaps some notes that are better suited than others. Cool. Okay. So with that in mind, I would encourage you to play whatever note you are going to play with confidence and with bravado and with seriousness and with "this is me and I'm playing my note, here it is." And you got your hands on your hips and you got the Superman kiss curl and you got the wind blowing in your hair and you got your cape flapping at the back and you may or may not have your undies on the outside. I am playing this note, da da da, this is me, this is my note. Yes. The attitude of, well, you, the listener, if you don't like it, that's your problem, could potentially come into play. But possibly, usually, we are listening. When you are playing your saxophone, you are listening to yourself. And so, okay, when you play a note, this note, and you've played it proud, and here it is, I'm playing my note, think to yourself, just quietly, in the back of your head, think to yourself, did I like that note? Was that a good note? Was that a note that I'd like to play again? Or was that a note that just, whoa, probably wasn't the best choice? Let's move on and maybe let's just sort of wander away and avoid eye contact with that note and let's perhaps not play it again. That's the concept here. When you see a speaker, a well-known speaker, a politician or an influencer or someone that you admire, someone who is up on a stage somewhere and delivering a speech with their words, how often do you hear them say, How often do you hear them say, oh, was that what I was talking about? How often do you see them go, oh, look, I'm really sorry. Oh, I'm doing my thing. So I'm just learning. So I'm really sorry. How often do you see them do that? Never. That's the correct answer. You never see them do that. It's the same with your saxophone. Play your note. Do not apologize. This is your saxophone. This is your note. This is what I'm playing. I've played my note and here it is. And I'm proud of my note. It was a good note. Whether you play that note again or not is up to you. There is no such thing as a wrong note. Yes, there's perhaps dubious choices. Yes, in a particular song, you should play this note first and then this note and that note third and that note fourth in the right order, subject to a million permutations and combinations and variables. What is the right order for you? I put it to you that music is an individual thing. Yes, there are a gazillion songs out there, but in a gazillion musical styles, in a gazillion tempos and feels and genres. Yes, what the music that I like may be different than the music that you like, but that's okay. You play your songs, I'll play my songs, and if we can find a few overlaps, great. And if we can't, that's okay. I like this music, you like that music, blah, blah, blah. However, there is no such thing as a wrong note. Perhaps from a musicality, individual kind of concept, when you are playing along with your favourite song, Well, yeah, the song goes A, B, C, D. Okay, and if you play A, D, B, C, well, okay, that might be your spin on it. Or maybe you just happen to play a note with confidence and you thought at the time, maybe I won't play that one again. Either way, please, I really, really want to make the point of A, there is no such thing as a wrong note. B, play your saxophone with confidence. And it's the same with guitars and pianos and any kind of musical instrument. It's not about apologizing. Oh, I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm just learning. No, 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 no. Make no apologies. This is me. I'm playing my saxophone. And if you don't like it, that's your problem, because I do like it. And the way I like it is because I've practiced and I've got my choreography of my fingers happening, and I've got my choreography of my mouth and my ears and my brain happening, and I've played it often enough so that I don't fall over accidentally and embarrassingly because I've been concentrating too hard on my fingers. Play with confidence, play with bravado, be strong. I am playing my note. This is my note. Yes. There is no such thing as a wrong note. Yeah, there's dubious choices. I'll leave you with that one. My name's Matthew. Please play your saxophone with confidence. There is no such thing as a wrong note. I will see you in another lesson at howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome, and repeating. Thank you. I'll see you next time at howtoplaythesax.com. Thank you.